Hello everyone, this is Nivesh. So I'm the proprietor of VGK Ventures. So this is our sanitary napkin incinerator. So this is basically a nano model, which can burn 5 napkins at a time and 50 to 100 napkins per day. Okay. So I just say about how to use this machine and what are the things we have designed and all. Okay. So every morning, every morning when the maintenance people come in, so they should on the switch, right? So the switch of the machine. So this is basically a normal 5 amps switch. So this is normally basically a 5 amp switch, and after switching on that, they should the maintenance people should just on the MCB, right? So now the machine is on. So after 10 minutes, once the maintenance people come in and they switch on the machine, after 10 minutes, the machine will be ready for use for the whole day, right? So to explain about this machine, this is basically a main door, and this is the trap door, and this is MCB, and these are the indicators, red and green, and this one is the temperature display, and this is the start button. Okay. So now I'll just say you how this machine works, right? So once this MCB is on, after 10 minutes, this machine is ready for use for the whole day. So we have particularly designed each and every part of this machine. So where a 13-14-year kids also can use this machine in a very 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 simple manner, right? So how to use this machine, right? So first they should the girls who just come in should open the main door, okay, and inside a trap door is there, so they should just pull this trap door, and the napkin should be inserted here, and this trap door should be closed, and this main door should be closed. Okay. So now we have set a critical temperature of about of about 300 degrees Celsius, and this timing this critical time for this respective temperatures we have set 5 minutes, right? So you can see this in this way. So if you just press this set button for about 2 minutes, so you can see the temperature 300, and again if you press this set button, you can see that the critical time is 5 minutes. Okay. So why we have given this critical temperature and critical time is to just increase the lifetime of the coil basically. Okay. So once we have set this critical temperature at 300 degrees Celsius, the coil's temperature will be maintained from 300 to 400 degrees Celsius, right? So once it reaches 300 degrees Celsius, this timer will be starting. So like from 5 minutes, right? So 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 4 minutes, right? So after this is reached, this machine would be see, right now the coil's temperature is of about 342 degrees Celsius. Okay. So once it reaches the critical temperature, this machine will come. After 5 minutes of the critical time, this machine will be coming to the room temperature. Okay. So what happens is the lifetime of the coil can be increased by these methods, right? So I'll just say how to insert the napkin. So in this instructions itself we have given this how to fold napkin, like the napkins is of this horizontal, right? This horizontal, so it should be folded like this, and this is a manner of which the napkin should be inserted inside the incinerator. Okay. So to start with, just open the main door and pull the trap lever with your right hand and insert the napkins in your left hand, and just close the trap door and the main door. Okay. And last but not least, you should definitely press the start button. Okay. So only if you press the start button, the machine will be sensing that somebody has inserted napkins into this incinerator. So okay, so let me start burning. Okay. So that's what it works, and we have given so this is basically the the output duct. So where the smokes and all it will be coming out, and this is the ashtray. So so once this 50 to 75 napkins is burnt, the ashtray should be thrown off, and the empty ashtray should be inserted inside, right? And this is basically a GI pipe. We have routed till outside, so that the smoke will be coming out. Okay. So now the burning process is being started, and if you could see here, the burning process is started. So within some some few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, the napkin should be completely burnt, and it will be turning into some ashes and smoke. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.